Good morning guys, hello and welcome to day 3 of the Iceland trip. I'm here with Hannah.
Hello everybody.
And today we are at
Waterfalls.
It's one of the waterfalls in Iceland. And today I think we're going to be going
around it.
Stop moving.
Whoa.
Okay, they're just carrying us, but yeah, Hannah will explain it.
So basically it's a waterfall and the water is coming from up in the mountains and then it's falling down and we're going to be walking around it, so that's why we're all prepared enough, you know, waterproof stuff.
So, switch
Ready?
to GoPro now.
Yes!
Click.
Go! Hey guys, so next we're going to a glacier. It's really exciting, though it's a bit raining at the moment, hence why I've got the full thing on at the moment. So yeah, we're just going to be looking at lots of ice and rocks, to be honest. Someone's putting their waterproof trousers on, as you can see. So yeah.
So as Hannah mentioned, we are about to go up to a glacier in Iceland. I think our tour leader said it was the 4th biggest in Iceland. It's pronounced very weirdly and it's really hard to pronounce it, and the spelling's really hard. So what I'm going to do is, the word is going to be right here. When it's up, it's going to be right here, so look at it now. That is the name of this glacier. So yeah, I'll get some really nice pictures for you once we're up there.
Favourite kind of beach is the Black Beach. Do you like a bit of those?
Anyway, yeah, as you just heard from Georgia, we are now at a beach in the south of Iceland. It is known as the Black Beach, is that right?
Yeah. Rainy
Sierra, which is that beach in southern Iceland. So yeah, I'm going to get some nice pictures for you. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, so we're now just about to leave the Black Beach and we're now headed to another waterfall. I don't know what it's called. I'll probably ask our group leader. But yeah, we're headed to another waterfall. I'm gonna get some good pictures there for you. So I'll catch you in a sec. I'm sorry I couldn't really film much where we were, but we were learning about the volcanic eruption in 2010. The volcano was called Eyjafjallajökull. The spelling is right here, that's how you spell it. But yeah, we were learning about that, and at the moment we've just stopped off at a grocery shop. Massive giveaway. But yeah, I'm with Lizzie. She's behind me, and we're just gonna get some local grocery stuff. So we're now headed up to another waterfall, which is right there. Can you see it? Right there. So just head up to that, and I can get you another cool footage for you. So we have just walked from. Let me just zoom in for you. That coach. No point. Right, we've walked from that coach right there. Right. That coach right there, all the way from there to up here, and to get this wonderful scenery of the waterfall. And there was about, I think Ben counted 427 steps to get up here. So many, but an amazing view, look.
Crack it.